Hello, fellow patriots, freedom-loving people throughout the world, all over the world. What we have here is an old Saito 150. I put a CH ignition and attempted a gas conversion, but this particular Saito is, I believe, one of the really early ones. Anyway, there wasn't room enough for the Walbo WT 962-138 prop. So I took the CH extension tube back off the intake, put the Saito one back on, put the Saito carburetor back on, and I'm currently running it on my favorite Walmart oil, Camp Fuel 20-1. It's spitting out a lot of oil. That was only about a quarter of a tank run through the engine after I put the extension back on the nipple on the back of the engine. There was a lot of oil on that piece of maple, I noticed, so I put that back on. I just fueled up the tank. We'll give her a go. This is a Master Airscrew K Series 16.8. It seems to run very well with this. Turns a little over 8,000 RPMs, around 8,300 at full throttle. Starts hard. As an idle, just keeps idling. It's running very, very good. This is the second tank. Yeah, the second tank of fuel. I've been playing with it before lunch. Let it cool off. Whoops, didn't get my fingers against the front of the pot properly. Yep, maybe it isn't going to fire right off. There we go. That's 1,600 RPMs at an idle. Okay, it's telling me that I'm just, the engine just told me I'm a little bit lean on the low end right at the moment. It's been my experience when running camp fuel, when they diesel like that, keep running, when you shut the ignition off, it's a little bit lean at the idle. So we'll richen it up here a little bit at the idle. And yeah, it's a very well-mannered engine. It has been. Turn the ignition on. Yep, didn't turn the ignition on. Yep, this is camp fuel, and she's just a little bit lean at an idle, I see now. Gonna open the low speed needle up just a little bit in a minute, but it's been running very good. It runs good, 16.8 Master Airscrew, very wide blade prop. Original muffler. I didn't even move it on the engine at all. Needle extension. And this is the Saito carb. All freedom-loving patriots and freedom-loving people around the world, have a great day. Laos Deo. Bye-bye.